The Sigma male walks a solitary path. He is self-sufficient. He is independent. But even the strongest wolf can be brought to his knees. Life's pressures mount. Expectations suffocate. The weight becomes too heavy. This is his breaking point. The world sees strength. They see resilience. They don't see the internal struggle, the doubt, the fear. It simmers beneath the surface, threatening to erupt. And then, the breaking point. The foundation crumbles. The carefully constructed life shatters. This is not a defeat. It is a catalyst. It is the beginning of a journey. A journey of destruction and rebirth. The breaking point forces the Sigma inward. He retreats from the world, seeks solace in solitude. This isolation is not loneliness. It is a strategic withdrawal, a chance to confront the wreckage. He must tear down the old structures, shed the expectations that no longer serve him. This is a painful process. It is raw, it is honest, but it is necessary. In the silence, he finds truth. He confronts his demons. He acknowledges his weaknesses. This is not a time for self-pity. It is a time for brutal self-assessment. Introspection becomes his crucible. He examines his values, he questions his beliefs, he discards what is no longer true. This is not about becoming someone new, it is about becoming more fully himself. He builds a new foundation, stronger this time, tempered by adversity. He defines his own values, sets his own goals. He takes responsibility for his life. This is not a passive process. It takes work, it takes discipline, it takes courage, but the reward is worth the effort. The Sigma rises, rebuilt and redefined. He emerges from the fire transformed, stronger, sharper, more resilient. He is no longer defined by the expectations of others. He is the master of his own destiny. The world sees the change. They see confidence, they see purpose, they see a man who has faced his demons and emerged victorious. He doesn't seek validation, he doesn't need it. He is self-validated. He is not afraid to walk alone. He is not afraid to challenge the status quo. He's a force to be reckoned with. Your journey to transformation begins now. The Sigma male's journey is a reminder to us all. We all face breaking points. We all have the potential for greatness within us. But it is up to us to do the work. Embrace your challenges. Seek isolation when you need it. Look inward and confront your truths. Rebuild yourself stronger. You are capable of more than you can imagine. Do you feel the call to greatness? Do you seek a community of like-minded individuals? Join us at the Sigma Summit. Your journey to transformation awaits.